Hey Wheesearchers, I am Phylesha and I am a featured vlogger here on Wheesearch. I have a YouTube channel called PhyleshaStyle. If you'd like to check it out, there'll be links in the description below. So right now I am traveling. I'm actually in the beautiful city of Los Angeles, California right now, which is why you see a kind of messy hotel room in the background. Whenever I'm traveling, I don't have my whole makeup kit with me that I would normally have at home. I just have the basics. So I thought that today I would kind of show you how I do my makeup whenever I'm traveling and I don't have everything with me, just the essentials, every day, on vacation, simple, quick makeup look. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what is the one product that you have to have with you whenever you're traveling. So let's get started on the makeup. So I've already washed my face, moisturized my skin, and I've put on some chapstick. My skin gets super dry whenever I travel, so I have to make sure I'm all moisturized up. For my primer, I'm going to be using Too Faced Hangover Cure. This is my favorite face primer. It's really moisturizing and it smells like coconut, which smells very lovely. It's also really neat because it comes out in a little pump, which is really cool. My favorite foundation is the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. I've been using this for years and years and years. It's pretty much the only foundation that I will use and repurchase and buy again and again and again. And I'm gonna put this on using a wet, damp beauty blender. So now I am going to apply some concealer. My favorite concealer is the Naked Skin Concealer. I use the lightest color in Fair Neutral. I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyes, and then I'm also gonna cover up a couple blemishes that I have. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using a translucent powder. My favorite is by Laura Mercier, and it's just like a loose powder, and I'm just going to take a big fluffy face brush and pop that all over my face. That was way too much. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer to my face now, and I am using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's really nice to have one of these for traveling. It's smaller, way smaller than the normal size, because it just fits in your bag easier and it doesn't take up as much space as a normal big bronzer would have. And I don't do anything too wild with my contour. I just kind of put a little bit on my cheekbones and that's it. I'm going to take a little bit of blush, and again, this is another travel size container. It is Party by Tarte. It's just a simple basic blush that could go with basically anything. For highlighter, I am going to be using Mary Lou Luminizer by The Balm. This is my absolute favorite highlighter. It is not travel size, but I can't help but bring it with me because it's literally the one that I use every single day for basically every single look I ever do. And I'm just going to use a fan brush and pop that on my cheeks. My favorite brow pencil is Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this one is especially great for travel because it not only has your crayon on the end, but it also has on the other end a little spoolie. How do you say that? A spoolie. So you don't have to pack an extra brush for that. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this palette by ColourPop. The palette's name is I Think I Love You. And it's just a really pretty palette. It's got all the basic colors in it for a neutral look, but you can also add some glitter and glam to it if you'd like. I like taking this with me whenever I travel because, like I said, it's so versatile. You could use it for basically anything. I'm going to start with this color right here, which is called My Treat, and I'm going to put that all over my eye. This is just going to be a base color, just so it's a little bit of powder there, you feel me? Next, I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Fancy Face, and it's kind of a light brown color, and I'm going to put that in my crease to kind of darken it up. And I'm actually just using the same brush for all of this. And I'm going to take this fluffy brush that I have and just kind of run it over the shadows so they blend out. This doesn't have anything on it, it's a clean brush. I'm going to take this darker brown color, which has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's called Level Up, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. I'm still using the same brush for this. And then I'm going back over with this fluffy brush and blending it out. Now I'm going to take this brush right here, so I'm switching the brush up, and I'm going to take this light shimmery color. It's called Rowdy, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And then, of course, going back with my fluffy brush and blending that in the crease as well. I'm gonna take this really tiny brush right here and get a pop of highlight and add that to the corner of my eyes. And I'm also gonna take some highlighter and put it on my brow bone and just on the tip of my nose, just a little bit. For our eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one by Kat Von D. It's the Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner in the color Trooper. This is just like a black liquid eyeliner. I just feel like it's easy to use this because it's in like a pen form, and I don't know, it's just easy for me to use. For mascara, I'm going to be using Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. For my lipstick, I'm just going to go with a basic red lip. This is called Snowflake, and it is by ColourPop. It's a liquid lipstick. This is more of like a pink reddish color rather than just being like a bright red. And lastly, I'm going to use a setting spray. This is Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray. I love this. I've been using this for years and years and years also, and this is also a travel size, so it's easier to carry with you. Okay, so that is my simple travel makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the little notification bell. And if you'd like to follow me and subscribe to my channel, those links will also be in the description box below. There's gonna be lots of different links down there, so make sure you check all of them out. And I will see you again very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.